Hey everyone, it's Sunday night and it's time to plan. And this week is the last week of the first month of the year 2019. I'm Gail Bates, CEO of MyMentorBiz.com, and I am the creator of the Direct Sales Planner system. And I call it a system because it not only comes with a beautiful planner with week by week, month by month, day by day planning for you, it also comes with 12 free, what I call Work Smart worksheets, okay? That are worksheets like hostess coaching checklists, a lot of checklists and things to keep you on track. And also a part of the system is being able to purchase what I call a companion to the Direct Sales Planner, because this companion is full of training for you on how to hold successful parties, how to get bookings, how to find prospects for your business, how to team build, how to manage your money. Lots of ways on helping you really work the planner. So it's the end of the first month of 2019. Where are you at in your business? You know, planning's like exercising. You kind of don't want to do it, but it's really necessary. And when you plan your business, that's when you're going to see great results happen, okay? It just doesn't happen, you know, your business just doesn't happen. You do have to plan it, and you want to know where you're going, and you want to have some goals to get there and how to get there, right? So the first step is to create what I call a little ritual every Sunday night. I call it Sunday night planning, okay? And I actually have a fantastic little checklist that you can download below if you're interested in getting my checklist for Sunday night planning. So the first step for Sunday night planning is to review your goals for the month. And when you review your goals, your monthly goals, it's all set up for you because it's a complete page in the Direct Sales Planner on what you want to happen for the month with your monthly goals. And there's also a page on tracking your business as you go through the month and knowing how to get there. And so every Sunday night, you just want to sit down and align your monthly goals with where you're at now. So here's my big tip for the day. This is the last week of the month, and I have a great little end of month checklist. And I actually put this in my Facebook page, which I'll link below for you today. And these are some of the tips that I recommend for the end of month checklist. First, check with customers for those last minute sales. Maybe you're trying to reach that goal, but it is a great time these last few days to check in with your customers. It's part of that follow-up that we do, right? Next step, close every party. Don't hold any party over. You want to finish the month with everything closed so you start the new month new and fresh. Next step, check and see that next month, February, it has at least 6 bookings on the calendar, okay? And of course, what we do with the Direct Sales Planner is we set that up by using a system with green sticky notes to making sure that we are getting those available dates booked. And right now, my mastermind coaching, we are going through a team booking blitz with all of their teams to make sure they have those 6 parties booked in February. Next, contact prospects to join by the end of the month. Maybe you have a few prospects said maybe, and they're thinking about it. It's time for you to check back with them. Wouldn't it be nice to close 2 or 3 prospects by the end of the month, okay? Calculate goals, calculate sales that you needed if you need to hit a specific goal this month. I know many of my clients are going for a goal to win a trip this month. So where are you at with do you need to calculate your sales, making sure you hit that goal? Figure if you're qualifying for the next level. Maybe you're a leader moving up to the next level. Make sure, or maybe you're going into the first level of leadership. What is it you need to do to qualify by the end of the month? Maybe send out some catalogs to some new customers. I know I have a stack of catalogs ready to go out to some of my new customers in my fashion business. Schedule networking events. Networking events are so important for you to bring in new business. Review tracking for them. As I said, in the planner, you actually have a whole page to track your business every month. Recap revenues and expenses for the month. Now, this is a specific worksheet that's available for you. It's one of the Work Smart worksheets that comes with the Direct Sales Planner. and set up goals for the upcoming month. And so it's very simple. You just turn to the next monthly page and set it up. So that's my tips for you today. It's the end of the month. You really need to go to my Facebook page and take a look at that list and make sure you're on track so that you can really end the month strong. So, as I said, where are you at? And I'd love you to leave me a message below. Are you on track for the month? Have you already hit your goals? Or are you working really hard to make sure you really bring them in and achieve them by the end of the month? Next week, we'll talk a little bit more about how to plan your week every week, because we'll be starting a whole new month. Have a great Sunday.